The LSEL6337F is one of LG's most sophisticated electric slide-in ranges. It is a smart range with a ton of features. Some you'll actually like. In this video, you'll learn about all the features as well as some comparisons to LG's biggest competitors like GE and KitchenAid. At the end, you'll know whether this range might be right for you. Let's get started. First, LG is one of the largest internal capacities at 6.3 cubic feet. This is a full cubic foot over competitive GE models. Only KitchenAid is bigger at 6.4 cubic feet. It has convection with a separate element behind the fan for the most even cooking and elimination of taste crossover between racks. The top is glass with a fifth burner. LG has brought their InstaView technology to this range. Tap the glass twice to look into the range. But the added smart features are the best part of this range. You have the ability to start and stop a cycle as well as change the temperature remotely through an app on your phone like most other smart ranges. But you do have a scan to cook technology. Just scan your frozen food and it sets the temperature and cooking mode automatically. LG has partnered with Innit and Sidechef for more automatic cooking options. You pick the recipe and it automatically sets the range while walking you through step by step and even alerting you when the food is done. It's really one of the first smart cooking products that's actually smart. This range has a lot of other modes like air sous vide and air fry that you need to be aware of. We haven't been able to crisp anything in air fry mode from any manufacturer. It's hard to blow the extreme heat to crisp in a larger oven. Most fryers are much smaller. Air sous vide, that never existed before. Sous vide is precision boiling in a bag. In this range, you have the bag in a special cycle. This needs to be tested. Lastly, the price is a bit high at $23.99. You can buy a better performing induction range for $300 to $500 more. GE has induction with similar smart features at $29.99. You should consider it. You'll find the app tie-ins useful if you like to cook and try new recipes. It's a bit pricey. You can buy induction for just a little more. However, with good size, convection, and smart technology that's actually smart, the LG LSE6337 is a decent consideration. Now you know about this LG model, you can find out how it compares to all the other brands by clicking the link and downloading our free electric cooking buying guide. And see in-depth comparisons of all the most popular brands, get answers to the most frequently asked questions, and learn buying strategies to save you money. Almost 1 million people have found answers in a Yale guide. Thanks for watching.